The emotion modulation technique focuses on the skill of modulating or adapting and molding emotional responses to the specific context, instance, counterpart, and to our objectives, or indeed any other criteria that we set ourselves. The emotion modulation technique is practical and highly interactive and can be carried out using a series of post-its or colored pieces of card. This means it is well suited for application in clinical settings, but also in education, development, or training. One of the technique's core principles, present in all its variations, is that everyone's repertoire of emotional responses with their related behavior and thoughts can be increased. Visual representation in flexible modules, enabled by using post-its, allows you to immediately introduce a wider mental space and to disclose new possibilities. As we shall see, this visual representation is just the first step in which we evaluate and rework our interaction and response models and what they represent of the self. Here we analyze the appropriateness and the effectiveness of the responses, identifying and carefully putting in place new response modes. The next step is active experience. The method actively proposes to create a transformative experience with the objectives of feeling the advantages and disadvantages derived from each mode firsthand, of perceiving the self in an entirely new way, and of activating resources that were previously unthinkable. In addition to this, thanks to these two phases, the planning and the active experience phase, it is possible to relive critical evolutionary experiences in a constructive way. It is suited to the existing circumstances. These experiences could concern the ability to wait, tolerance to frustration, maintaining a firm stance on things that are felt to be important, as well as other key critical elements in the development of a solid identity and a mature volition. The emotion modulation technique can also be used as an autonomous tool with a series of specific technical variations, as well as a meta-instrument within an overall integrated system, alongside other different tools.